Fluke 87V MAX True-RMS Digital-Multimeter Review. Rugged proof for real job site work. Has your multimeter ever decided to quit right when the troubleshooting got serious? Mine did. Knee-deep in a damp electrical panel, I watched the display flicker and die after a small splash. Just gone. That single moment cost me nearly 2 hours of rework. Frustrating doesn't cover it. If that scenario sounds painfully familiar, drop a comment below right now. The real tension isn't just one bad day. It's the slow pressure of never fully trusting your meter in tough conditions. Brain fog sets in when readings feel unreliable on VFD circuits or dusty switchgear panels. Budget meters promise accuracy, then wobble when it matters most. There had to be a smarter, sturdier, calmer way to work without second-guessing every single reading. Then everything changed when I found the Fluke 87V MAX True-RMS Digitalmultimeter. Don't just pick any digital multimeter. Make sure it has true RMS measurement with IP67 waterproof protection so you never waste time on inaccurate readings in real industrial environments again. Here is what surprised me. The first time I used it in a wet utility panel, the display stayed sharp, the reading stayed steady, and I felt genuinely confident for the first time in years. That feeling matters more than any spec sheet. The 87V MAX delivers true RMS accuracy on nonlinear loads, including VFDs and switch mode supplies, where cheaper meters lie to you silently. The IP67 rating handles full submersion up to 1 meter. The 4-meter drop protection means a fall off a ladder doesn't end your day. Battery life reaches 800 hours, so you stop counting charges. The built-in thermometer checks motor and bearing temperatures without a second tool. Let me be honest, the included TL175 twist guard test leads feel premium and stay tangle-free in cramped panels. Long-term reliability comes next, and that story gets even stronger. The longer you use the Fluke 87V MAX True-RMS Digital-Multimeter, the more it quietly reshapes your daily confidence on the job. Readings stay consistent. The backlit display stays readable in dark cabinets and crawl spaces. The ergonomic holster makes one-handed operation natural, even with gloves on. Workflow gets smoother without you noticing exactly when the shift happened. A verified industrial user described it as the only meter they trust in their plant, specifically praising the true RMS accuracy on VFD circuits that exposed errors in their older meters. An HVAC technician paraphrased the experience perfectly, checking voltage, current, and motor temperature with one tool instead of 3 saves real time every single shift. A product specialist noted the 87V MAX sets a new standard for rugged handheld meters, citing the 4-meter drop certification as a genuine differentiator over comparable models. One everyday user specifically upgraded after dropping a previous meter, choosing the MAX version for that exact protection. Now, the honest objection is price. This meter sits at a premium, but professionals consistently apply buy-once logic here, backed by a limited lifetime warranty that removes long-term replacement anxiety. The Fluke 87V MAX True-RMS Digital-Multimeter keeps earning trust because it performs when conditions turn harsh and unforgiving. Thousands of electricians, HVAC technicians, and industrial maintenance professionals are already carrying it daily with consistent results, though results may vary depending on application and environment. Calmer troubleshooting, sharper readings, tougher build, and one tool that handles nearly everything. If you're ready to upgrade your confidence on every job, the affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned comment. Experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.